Hello there. Today I'll show you in 6 steps why it's crucial to maintain your boat's hull in good condition. Maintaining and cleaning boat hulls is essential for several reasons. It ensures safety, enhances operational efficiency, prolongs the boat's durability, and ensures compliance with environmental regulations. 1. Performance and fuel efficiency. Reduction of drag. The buildup of algae, barnacles, and other marine organisms on the hull increases friction and resistance to the boat's movement through the water, which can significantly reduce speed and increase fuel consumption. Fuel savings. A clean hull allows the boat to move more efficiently, resulting in lower fuel consumption and therefore more economical and environmentally friendly operation. 2. Durability and lifespan of the boat. Prevention of corrosion. The accumulation of marine organisms and salt can accelerate the corrosion of the hull, especially in metal boats. Regular cleaning helps prevent corrosion and degradation of the hull material, thus extending the boat's lifespan. Protection of anti-fouling paint. Proper hull cleaning maintains the effectiveness of anti-fouling paint, which is essential to prevent the growth of marine organisms. This in turn reduces the need for frequent repainting, saving costs and time. 3. Safety and maneuverability. Improved maneuverability. A clean hull allows for more precise control and maneuverability, which is crucial for safety, especially in emergency situations or adverse navigation conditions. Avoiding overloading. The buildup of organisms can add weight to the hull, which can affect the boat's stability and buoyancy, compromising the safety of the crew and passengers. 4. Regulatory compliance. Environmental regulations. Many countries have strict regulations to prevent the transfer of invasive species through dirty boat hulls. Regular cleaning helps comply with these regulations and protects marine ecosystems. Maintenance standards. Some jurisdictions require boats to maintain a minimum level of hull cleanliness to avoid fines and penalties. 5. Environmental impact. Prevention of invasive species. A dirty hull can transport invasive species from one ecosystem to another, causing significant damage to local fauna and flora. Keeping the hull clean helps prevent the spread of these species. Reduction of pollutants. Proper cleaning and maintenance can reduce the release of pollutants and waste into the water, contributing to environmental conservation. 6. Aesthetics and resale value. Better appearance. A clean and well-maintained hull enhances the boat's appearance, which can be important for owner satisfaction and maintaining the boat's aesthetic value. Higher resale value. Boats with well-maintained hulls tend to retain a higher resale value, as potential buyers value boats that have been properly cared for. Regular hull cleaning can prevent serious damage that would require costly repairs, such as corrosion or the need for repainting. A clean hull facilitates maintenance inspections and the early identification of problems, which can reduce costs and downtime. In summary, the maintenance and cleaning of boat hulls is crucial for several reasons, including safety, operational efficiency, and the boat's durability, as well as for compliance with environmental regulations. Don't wait for problems to get worse. Schedule your hull cleaning with us today and keep your boat in optimal condition. Visit us at miamifin.com or call 1-786-681-6300 for more information and to get a free quote. Thank you for considering Miami Fin for the care of your boat. Remember, a clean hull is an investment in the efficiency, safety, and value of your boat.